Hello lovely people, welcome to my channel. Thank you for clicking my video. In this tutorial we shall be looking at how to secure your Gmail account. Yes, this time around we shall be looking at how you can easily secure your Gmail account from being hacked. So I will need you to pay attention and follow me step by step. The method I will be teaching you guys today is very simple, so you need not to root to device, and also this works in every country, so it doesn't matter your location. Now before we start, if today happens to be your first time on this channel, don't forget to subscribe and also turn on the notification icon and be part of this wonderful family, so that anytime I upload a new video you might be the first person to watch it. Now without wasting much time, let's get started. Now the first advice that I want to give you is, don't use your date of birth and your last name or your first name as your password. Don't use your date of birth or your last name as your password that you are using on your Gmail account. By doing this, people can get access to your Gmail account easily. So let me show you how to change your password right now, in case you are using your date of birth as your password and your last name as your password. Now just open your Google, click on your profile at the top right corner, click on manage your Google account. Now scroll to where you can see security, and once you click on security you can see password. Click on password over here, and once you click on password, enter your current password. So enter your current password over here, click on next, and make sure you change your password. Choose a strong password. Don't use your last name or your first name and your date of birth, because these passwords are very easy to be predicted. People can easily predict your password and they can have full access to your Gmail account to get your personal information. So don't use your date of birth as your password, or don't include your your date of birth in your password. Now the second thing you need to do is to scroll to where you can see two-step verification. You need to make sure you turn on two-step verification so that you receive a notification once someone tries to log into your account without your notice. So make sure you turn on two-step verification on your account. And also the most important thing you need to do is to scroll to where you can see manage all devices. You can see these are the devices that you have logged, or that have access to your Gmail account. So you can click on the device that you don't recognize, and then you click on remove over here, or you click on sign out over here. And by doing this, you can easily secure your Gmail account from being hacked or unwanted access. So you need to make sure you do all these settings. And if you have visited or if you have entered your password on many websites, please, you need to make sure you remove or you disable your password from this website, so that your account will be secured. So with this, you can protect your Gmail account from being hacked, or you can secure your Gmail account. I hope this video is very helpful. Thanks for watching, and also subscribe for more tech updates.